Hey winners, do you get nervous before important events? Do you feel like your confidence could use a boost? If you answered yes, then this is the perfect video for you. In today's video, we're going to teach you about power posing and how to use it to increase your confidence. We will also share a very simple yet powerful pose that can help you feel more confident and less anxious in any situation. So make sure to watch until the end. But before we begin, remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this one. Now let's get started. Have you ever heard of the term power posing? It is a technique that has gained a lot of attention in recent years, and for a good reason. In 1989, two researchers conducted an experiment that demonstrated the impact of body language on hormone levels. They found that participants who were instructed to adopt expansive or dominant poses had higher levels of testosterone and lower levels of cortisol than those who were instructed to adopt contractive or submissive poses. This experiment led to the development of the concept of power posing. Power posing is a form of nonverbal communication in which an individual adopts a posture that conveys power, dominance, or confidence. These poses often involve taking up a large amount of space, such as by standing with one's arms spread wide, or hands on one's hips, or by exaggerating one's movements. The idea is that adopting these poses can convey a sense of power and confidence, which can in turn affect the way that others perceive us. So how does it work? Well, when we adopt a power pose, we are essentially tricking our brains into thinking that we are more powerful than we actually are. This is because our brain and body are constantly sending signals to each other, and these signals can influence our behavior and emotions. By adopting a power pose, we are sending a signal to our brain that we are powerful and confident, which can in turn boost our actual levels of confidence and power. There are many different types of power poses that you can use, but one of the most effective is the victory stance. The victory stance is a powerful pose that can help you feel more confident and less anxious in any situation. To do the victory stance, simply stand tall, with your feet shoulder-width apart. Raise your arms above your head and bring them together at the top. Hold this pose for a few seconds while taking deep breaths. This pose can help you feel more confident and less anxious by opening up your chest and allowing more oxygen to flow through your body. It also helps to activate the sympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for the fight or flight response. This can help you feel more alert and energized, which can be helpful in a high-pressure situation. Another great thing about the victory stance is that it is very versatile. You can do it just about anywhere without anyone knowing about it. For example, if you are waiting in line for a job interview, you can sneak in a few seconds of the victory stance here and there to help boost your confidence. Or, if you are giving a presentation, you can strike the pose for a few moments beforehand to help calm your nerves. Just be sure to practice the victory stance in advance so that you know what it feels like. This will help you relax and feel more confident. When it is time to use it, it's important to note that power posing should not be confused with arrogance or conceit. The goal is not to make others feel inferior, but rather to boost your own confidence and power. When you feel more confident, you're more likely to be perceived as confident by others, which can lead to better outcomes in social and professional situations. So next time you feel a little nervous or unsure of yourself, try striking the victory stance. Hold that pose, take some deep breaths, and watch as your confidence starts to skyrocket. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Remember, you have the power to change your life and achieve anything you set your mind to. All you have to do is believe in yourself and your abilities. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you want to learn more about body language, check out our video on 6 body language mistakes that are killing your confidence. We'll see you next time.